Hi, this is Ron. I won't be before you long today. This is just a quick video to let you know why you should join the Crypto 300 Club. First reason is to grow your Bitcoin by earning 1% daily and have that on weekends. Second, if you join now and during this pre-launch, the Crypto 300 Club will pay you 2% daily and 1% on weekends. And the third reason is because the Crypto 300 Club is paying. Yes, that's right. They are the real deal Holyfield. Yes, that's right. They're paying. I'm going to show you proof by showing you the money. Let's look at my account. Okay, this is my account. Okay, if you see right here in my profile, it says deposit fund is zero. That means I didn't have the money to afford to buy any packs in the beginning, and I've been burnt on some other programs. So what I did was I just started. I signed up as a free member, and I started referring people. And that same day, I started getting referrals. You know, not as fast as other people, but I started getting referrals and paying referrals. And so what I did was I started buying crypto packs. You see, I have a balance of 3340, which I'm gonna build up and take out later. You know, for some incidental stuff I want to do. Maybe take my wife out to eat. But right now, whenever I withdraw from money I earn from referrals. What I do is I buy me a couple packs based on how much money I receive, and then later on I probably make a withdrawal. And to show proof, this says my earning in the last 24 hours $15.30. Okay, right now I have 7 referrals on the first level. That's from me. I'm not that good at getting referrals. I guess you got to be on social media all the time, whatever. One of the guys in my downline, he had 69 people. He was killing it. And then one of his downline has 20 people. So you get paid on 3 different levels. That's what I like about it. You know, every time one of those get a referral and they make a purchase, you get a piece of that pie. So this is the thing right here. You know, I don't know too many others paying on the level like this here. So you don't have to do referrals. If you're a big money grip, you big baller, shot caller, then I tell you, this is for you. What's so good about this is what you can do if you're a big baller, shot caller. You put like $2,000 back, $2,000 worth of packs. And the money that you earn it right now is paying 2% daily. That's money that your money is making. Okay, and you can get that money out of it any time. And right now, based on my on my withdrawals, I show you proof. I told you I was going to show you proof. Proof that this Crypto Club 300 is the real deal Holyfield. Okay, how I know that? Let me find out. Let me make sure that I keep learning something new. I think I got it down. Go right to it, but then sometimes I have to play around to find it. Okay, again, this is my wallet. This is my Crypto 300 wallet. See, like you see right here, I never put any money in there. All my money I bought as for packs. I bought it based on referral commissions. And right now I got 3340. I can withdraw any time, but I'm trying to build it up to like at least 100 or something like that. Have a little change. Take my wife out to dinner or something like that, or buy something, keep her happy. Okay, and then right now I just got some recent commission from referrals I haven't touched yet. Okay, come down here. You can see. You can click this button right here and buy more crypto packs, or you can make a withdrawal. Whether you put money in perfect money or Bitcoin. Excuse me. And then here you go. This is the proof. Now this is the money. This is the thing right here. Proof in the pudding, baby. The withdrawal history. You can see all the withdrawals that I made. This is my Bitcoin address. I'm gonna cover this up so you can't see it. And you see where I make payments. I make little payments, withdrawals for myself. I got to invest in myself. So if I take all the money out, I'm not making no money. So right now I got $13 that I got that on the 18th. I got $30.50 that I got on the 15th. And I got $15 that I got on the 13th. So they show you how often I've been getting referral payments. Then my very initial payment that I got was 15.20, and all the other money I bought crypto packs, and to show you proof that I'm investing in my own self. After I get paid based on my referrals. Let me go back. Let me see. Let me go to the crypto pack. I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, right here it says buy crypto pack. Click here. 30-day guarantee. Rate for new purchases right now during the pre-launch is 2% per day for life. Half on weekends. It says select funds to buy your crypto pack. Right now, if I wanted to buy 3 crypto packs, which is $10 a piece, if I go right here and click this here and come down here and purchase, it's already set up for me to buy 3, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to buy 1 for right now, just to show you how it works. That's my referral balance. Okay. Right now, the packs are $10 a piece, so I'm just going to buy 1 pack. So that's 1. I'm going to hit my purchase button here. And it says you are purchasing 1 crypto pack from your referral balance. And that's $10. And confirm. It says somewhere you might have to start your purchase over again. Let's see. Let me do it again. Make sure I don't want to take this money out yet. Okay, hit purchase again. You're purchasing 1 crypto pack. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Something wrong with this browser. I normally don't use this browser here. Okay, we're gonna skip that here. I'm gonna edit this here and do it on a different browser. Okay. Okay, this is running. I'm back now. I had to change browsers. So I'm gonna try this again. Like I said, to buy crypto packs, you have to have something in your balance. Right now, I've got $33.40 that's in my crypto balance, crypto pack balance. That's the money I'm making off of my crypto pack that I made off my crypto pack. And like I said, I'm gonna build this up to like 100 something before I withdraw that. Right now, I've got $18.50 in my referral balance, and I can buy 1 pack right now because each pack costs $10. Okay, like I tried to make a withdrawal earlier, but it wouldn't work with that browser. So I just want to show you proof that this ain't no what they call them things, scam, whatever. It ain't no scam because I'm getting paid, baby. I don't know what nobody else tell you. You got haters out there. Whenever it's a successful program like they're paying, somebody's always hating. As long as I'm benefiting from it, they can hate all they want to, baby. Because I just want to show you that I'm sharing it with somebody else. I ain't trying to keep it to myself. Okay, let's make this purchase. Okay, make sure I ain't got the wrong money here. Go here and get the purchase button. Say you will purchase 1 crypto pack from your referral balance for a total $10. Hear that? Okay, it's doing something. It's talking now, baby. It's going to do something. It's saying you have to purchase 1 crypto pack from your referral balance. Then get paid. Now I got to get paid off something I just paid. I just purchased. And you see here, you got to make it stay steps anyway in order to get paid on your crypto pack. I total 31 crypto packs. Just purchased the 31st right here. Not paid yet today on the 1. By about 7 o'clock today, whatever. The breakdown, this will change to like 30. And I get paid on those 30 packs that I've already got. But right now, just let me get paid on this first one here. Say step 1, click on the button to get paid now. Get paid now. That's what it says. Congrats on your daily earnings that you 10 cents. Close that. Okay, now I always refresh the browser just to make sure things change that the effects over in my balance. I refresh the thing here. You see it says 0. Like later on today, it's gonna that number is gonna come over here to 30 because I haven't been paid for my 30 packs today. Okay, and you see the balance changed over here somewhere. I can't remember exactly what it was before, but I always check the balance to see how it increases. It should went up 10 cents over here. Okay, and the crypto packs. Okay, that's pretty much it to it. That's the proof in the pudding, baby. So I don't know what you're waiting on. So I showed you the money. If you want to get your share of the Bitcoin wealth, then you need to click the link down below in the description and join today. Oh, by the way, can I tell you that when you join, that they will give you a free $10 crypto pack just to test drive the system? So what are you waiting for? Join today and tell someone. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, tell everybody and start building passive Bitcoin income. God bless you.